Hey, this is Devin Rose with Lionheart Catholic. Quick video today. Wanted to share this comment that I received from someone on YouTube, Carol. How beautiful. You touch upon so much. I don't think I've ever heard anyone touch upon the rosary, stages of mental prayer, novenas, adoration, and much more in one setting. And I totally agree about not receiving this information from local parishes. So she's commenting on a video where I described what is in Lionheart Catholic and what we're about. What's interesting is the Catholic faith is really simple. No, it's not easy, but it's simple. All you have to do is follow the church's teachings. But the great catastrophe of our time is most Catholics don't know what those teachings are. They don't know what the practices are that Christ has given to the church that we can use to become saints. Lionheart Catholic is about simply sharing with Catholics. This is what the church teaches. This is how to put into practice the secrets of the saints, which aren't secrets at all, but we just haven't known them. We've sort of lost them. We're now finding that treasure again, showing it to fellow Catholics and saying, this is how you become a saint. This is how you become fulfilled by following our Lord and his church. So hearing this comment really affirmed for me the whole mission of Lionheart Catholic. This is what we're about. It's not something new. It's simply putting into practice what the church has taught for 2,000 years that Christ has given her. My hope is that in our local parishes, from our bishops and dioceses, they will start to teach these things more and more. A few do. Most, though, you don't find them. They're going off and talking about all sorts of stuff that doesn't really matter. So if Lionheart Catholic, if this sounds like what you're about, take the quiz below and let's see if you measure up in being a Lionheart Catholic already. Also put a link to the book. My book here, I'll ship it out to you for just the cost of shipping and handling. $7.95, I'll ship this out to you. You'll get all the recipe of the saints and how to put it in practice in your life. All right, thanks. God bless.